Let me tell you about addiction. Addiction is a chronic and relapsing brain disease that is characterized by compulsive drug or alcohol use and provides harmful consequences. It is a condition where a person engages in a particular behavior, such as drug, substance abuse, excessive video gaming, to the point where it becomes difficult to control and interferes with our daily life activities. It is important to note that addiction is not a choice or a moral failing, but it is a rather complex medical condition that requires appropriate treatment and support. People can get entangled in addiction for a variety of reasons, including genetics, environment, trauma, mental health, social and cultural factors, and other cases. It is important to recognize that addiction is a very complex issue with no single cause, and there is no one-size-fits-all solution. Effective treatment, healing, and support should address the unique needs and circumstances of each individual. Let me give you some addiction releasing techniques that can be helpful. You can practice mindfulness meditation to become aware of your thoughts and emotions. It can help you recognize triggers, make better choices when faced with cravings. You can do deep breathing. Take few deep breaths when you feel a craving or an urge coming on. It will make you feel relaxed and centered and may reduce the intensity of the craving. You can do visualizations. Visualize yourself free from addiction and living a happy, healthy life. You can perform exercise. Engage in regular physical activity to help reduce stress and improve your mood. This can help you avoid turning to addiction as a way of coping with negative emotions. Join some support groups or learn healing and heal yourself so that you can be free from addiction from the root level.